So it's actually time for me and my wife to go shopping. Gould wants to grab a couple of things. Oh man, I'm so tired. So tired from work. But if there's one thing I learned, two things I learned, two words I learned: yes and okay. Happy wife, happy life. Let's go. What sand art?
The lady at the Riverwalk, she taught us. Remember she was teaching everyone how to do it? She was selling.
Oh yeah. What, that's the kit?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a kid.
Okay, all right. Let's get it. So we got the fake nails from my little sister-in-law. I think she'll love it. Actually, Gould told me that she wanted it, and she told me after I picked it.
Yeah. I don't even remember she told me to get it. Joe got your back.
Who remembers these? Click, clack, click, clack. You already know. Back in the day, I was the click, clack master.
I don't like this too much.
No?
Yeah.
For the patio, love.
That's cool.
Blow on it. See what happens.
That looks cool.
I know, right?
Why don't you get it? For the patio?
Let's do it. She didn't come in for any of this stuff. Now we're about to start getting what she came for. My wife. I sure know how to pickle.
So, the sun's out over there. Pretty beautiful sunset. And the moon is out over there. It's amazing, huh?
Boom! It's a beautiful evening.
You look so tired.
Do I? I really am. But it's fun watching you shop. So I'm chilling. I like your outfit.
Thank you.
Look at that pretty shirt. That's your color. Look at your chucks. You look gorgeous. I'm gonna take a picture. Pose. Give me your best pose.
I'm not a poser.
Oh man. You real with it? You ain't no posing? That's what's up? Oh, you real? Okay. Alright. That's why I love you. Look at the birds.
Whoa.
You see all those birds?
Wow. They're back, by the way.
I know. Look at that. Look like a movie from the birds.
I know, right?
Wow.
Hello?
Thousands of them.
There's so many birds. Watch them poop on us.
Oh, I know. Let's go before they poop on us. Hurry up. Get in. I'm coming. All right. So we just got to the mall right now. I'm about to go and grab something. I have no idea, but I was just tired, man.
Yeah, you can't change it.
I got tired of all the small stuff, or just little stores and stuff that we're going to. So I wanted to go somewhere where it's a lot of people, so I can get more upbeat.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go and get me a Red Bull and just walk around with the Red Bull, man. San Antonio's finest, South Park Mall, right here in the flesh. Got my wife here, talking to my sister-in-law. Going down. So what's up? We're halfway done?
No. Hello?
Oh my gosh. Let's do it. I got you. Look at that. Who's that? Do I know him? That dude right there is pretty cool. I should have ate my candy in the car. I'm kind of hungry.
Why don't you maybe get something to eat from here too?
I'm gonna eat you up. Get some hot sauce. Which way? Where we going? She just hold on. She just told me, why don't you sit down right here?
You look
I'm about to go over
tired.
there.
Hugging your neck and stuff?
I'm aching. I'm really tired. I had a long week.
That's why I said sit down.
You sit down. You want to fight? In the mall? We can fight. Come on. Gould Javed Thomas. My wife. All right, let's do this. Nah, flag on the play. Flag on the play. After further review, the call on the field has been reversed. I don't feel like going into that store. What is it? Ulta Beauty. I got my wife. She's all the beauty I need in my life. I'm just about to kick it right here and chill. See what's going on Facebook. Let's see. I can't whistle. I wish I could. I'd whistle that Chill Bill song real good. Who watches The Breakfast Club? Charlamagne always getting punked by people. There's this morning show. Y'all remember the Baker Boys, right? One from California, like the Baker Boys and Power 106 in the morning. Well, I guess they got something called The Breakfast Club. And it's Charlamagne and somebody else and some girl. No Angie Martinez at all. But anyways, I don't know, man. Rappers be coming in there just punking Charlamagne. I think he's one B word away from losing all hip-hop urban credibility. This close, Charlamagne. You get the donkey of the day. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's trending. All right. All right, Big Mac. We got news about the Big Mac. The big news for the Big Mac is millennials try a Big Mac for the first time, and I guess somebody said, quote, "I don't see what the third piece of bread is for," unquote. Hilarious. I just thought that third piece of bread was for good. More good. All right, let's see what else we got. What's going on with Lil Wayne? God bless Lil Wayne. What else is going on? Usain Bolt. Let's see what's trending with Usain Bolt. There's 200,000 people talking about this. If you don't know who Usain Bolt is, he is about 6 feet, 15 inches tall. He runs the 100 meters in like probably a good 8 seconds. He's ridiculously fast. He's the fastest man to ever run the 100 meters on this planet. He's about to get a statue, a well-deserved statue at National Stadium, which is cool. I mean, I'm a former triple jumper. I have a bit of a rivalry when it comes to track and field. I don't want to see no Jamaican break the world record and all of that, but obviously what I want doesn't matter because he's done it numerous times. I gotta tip my hat off to the dude. He's doing his thing. Usain Bolt is the truth. But hopefully America will get that title back sometime soon. All right, what else is going on? Something's up with Ronda Rousey. 53,000 people talking about checking out Ronda Rousey. I guess she returning to challenge Nunes at UFC 207. Ronda, I really hope that you wear some kind of protective gear this time because last time, that one girl, it looked like she broke your jaw. But to each his own. If you like getting beat up in the face like that, cool. You feel me? Alright. And my wife, let's go check up on Gore, see what she's doing. There she goes. Caught her in the act. I think she was in that very spot when I left. When I decided that there was a flag on the play. She was right there at the same spot.
Dark though, but
excuse me, ma'am. You've been here for a little too long. Ghoul's still in there. Let's call Ghoul. Let's give Ghoul a call. Let's give Ghoul a call to see what the holdup is. Let's call her and see what's going on here. Let's see what we got here. Oh my God, funny faces and everything else. My wife, I sure know how to pick them. Like she heard me. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. The officer, he's tripping on me right now for no reason, so I'm gonna be back.
I'm coming.
Nah, that's cool. I left the key.
You're so weird.
You should have saw your face, babe.
Thank you.
Peace.
Bye.
Here in Bath and Body Works, Goose just looking around. I'm praying that I get kicked out because of my drink. All right, so she's in Bath and Body Works. I'm about to go check on my cousin. Check on my cousin Roman. Oh, he's not working today. Bummer. Who else can we find up in here? I like to pretend like I got friends. I don't know if you hear that in the background. Okay, well, I thought it was some action. You're dramatic. I'm not dramatic.
You came in here before too?
Yeah, let me see. I got it.
Why you should give this to me?
What?
This puny bag.
I'm gonna go and get a bigger one.
What's this? She gave me this? Oh, that's nice of her. I didn't buy it. She gave it to me. She better not have given it to me a mistake.
Uh-oh.
No, she didn't.
So that was nice of her.
Yeah. Yeah.
You were just bad talking to her because she gave you a little bag.
But look at this. She even knew because she was like, here.
But then she gave you that. So why are you still mad? You were still.
I can't hold it.
I'll hold it for you.
Yeah. Don't drop anything on it.
Come on, give it to me.
Don't drop.
Same time, man. I don't know you. Same time. That's from a Chris Rock movie. Come on. Put it on my pinky. Bam. See? Just like that. Problem solved, baby. That's right. The world is yours. You're living up. Girl, stop putting that stuff in your bag. I'm gonna buy it.
I am gonna buy it.
I'm gonna pay for it. Why are you trying to put it in the bag?
This is like the Bath and Body Works bag.
I wanted to, but not anymore.
Why? Okay.
I got lotion at home. Gul just told me to come and put this back all the way over here. So, I guess now I'm the errand boy, you feel me? It's all bad. It's okay, I ain't got no problem with it. I sure know how to pick them. So, right here is kind of sore every now and then. Let's fix that. Shoulders back. Straight up. You 5 feet 2 inches. You better walk like it, girl.
I'm not 6 feet 2 though.
You might be able to, I know I'm blurred, but it don't matter. You might be able to hear that alarm going off. We got more action, guys. I feel like I'm being followed. Hey. Why are you following me?
Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
I'm looking for the flip-flops. You looking for the flip-flops, right?
Yeah.
There they go. Right there behind you.
Really?
Yeah, I see you.
Good.
See, this is living proof that you got me holding your bag. And it's not the lightest bag either.
This is nice. $9.
That is nice. You already got a shirt like that.
No, that's different. This is large.
Want me to hold that?
This is large, but do you think it's gonna fit me?
Yeah.
Should I go try it on?
Yeah, I'll hold the bag.
There's no point in me getting things I have though.
So it's just me in the fitting room. Well, actually just me and my phone. Some of the Facebook goes about to try some stuff on. So let's see what's going on Facebook today. Okay, where'd I leave off? I think I left off with Usain Bolt. No, Ronda Rousey. And her protective gear that I hope she wears so she won't be getting her face beat on like that anymore. See what they got to say about Samsung Galaxy Note 7. I like that one. No, this one.
I'm getting this myself. This is large. And it's fitting me.
My wife. You know, Chuck Berry looks a little bit like Mos Def.
I don't check Barry. I'm not most definitely.
My wife. He does look like Most Def. Oh my God, we're headed to the checkout line. Yes. Finally.
There goes my sweet husband. Oh, my shopping.
I don't know, man. You notice something different? I don't notice anything different. Maybe it's just American Eagle beanie. The reason I got the American Eagle beanie is because if you want to be an American Eagle, if you want to soar like an American Eagle, you can't be hanging with the American chickens. So that's why I didn't get the American chicken beanie. I got the American Eagle beanie. What do you look at when you're shopping? Like, what are you looking for? Why are you so?
Because I have so many people to shop for. I'm thinking, okay, would this be good for? That's what I'm thinking.
Is there an app? Can you make an app?
What do you mean app?
Like an app for that?
Eric, I found my bridesmaid dresses.
So you can put in criteria, different personality types, and figure out what type of gift that they would want? Is there anything you can do like that?
No.
Huh?
You want to come up with it?
Yeah, you should come up with it.
$3.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's up with all these bras? Come on, we gotta keep it PG. PG. This is a family vlog. Alright, love. The consensus says that we should call it a night, please. That's dope.
Someone would like that.
I know, she really would. Bang, bang.
No, it's great. Surprise.
Look at her. All innocent, like, what time is it? You shut them all down. We've been here for hours, babe. Look at that. Everything's closed. See that? Huh?
Sorry. I didn't even know they closed at 9. I thought they closed at 10.
You are a trip. It was fun though.
Yes, it was.
I'd do it again. What we got here? Let's be nosy.
Tomorrow.
What's up? No.
I called her to ask about what color concealer I should get.
Praise the Lord. Jesus is Lord. Amen. The day has come to an end. So we're heading out right now. Going out the same way we came in. Headed out of Macy's.
Yeah.
Then we're about to go grab something to eat. Calling it a night, man.
Oh yeah.
All right. Peace out.
Peace out.
Panda, 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 panda. I got bras in Atlanta. You know I love you. So to the much. What?
So to the much.
So to the much. That's how much I love you. So to the much. L to the O to the V-E, girl. You feel me? That's my cool voice. Yeah, that's my Snoop Dogg voice right there. Didn't know that panda hat. This right.
And Joe got rice, noodles, shrimp, and
Yes.
you got
Yes. Huh?
Beijing beef, right?
Yeah, I got Beijing beef, shrimp,
Noodles and rice.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to taste that fried shrimp.
Yeah.
I didn't know they had shrimp.
You did it?
Bust it open, baby. Let me get one. Let me get one right now. Forget that. Let's go.
Oh my god, someone's hungry.